Hi, I'm Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage price options in VP Rentals theme. To take advantage of all existing options for price, you will need to submit your listing from front end only. I will go to User Dashboard, My Listings, and I will edit an existing listing to show all price available options. So I will press Edit Property. And in price section, you will be able to manage prices and other settings for your listings. Before starting to explain each option, I will show where to select the fields that you want to show in the submission form. You will need to go to Admin, Theme Options, Payments and Submit. And in Listing Submit page, you will be able to select from this list the elements that you want to display in submission form. For the price section, you will be able to enable or disable main price, taxes, the price for custom period, price for weekend, and other elements. Currently, I have selected all elements so I can explain them. Also, in general booking section, you will be able to select the booking type. I will select mix so I can show both per day and per hour price options. I will save the changes made and I will go back to the submission form. I will refresh and now you will see that the owner will have the option to choose between per day and per hour booking type. The first field for price is price per night. Here you will need to add the main price. Only this price will show in listing cards and the search will be done only after this price. On home page, I will show this is where the main price will show, and also in the listing page you will have the main price here and here. Going back to the submission form, next you will have before label and after label. Here you will be able to add a text that will show before or after the price. For example, you can use the before label and add from. I will save the change made. The words will show in unit and on the listing page. The before and after labels will help you add additional info next to the price. Next, you will have the taxes field. The owner will be able to add a value here and the taxes value will be displayed in the booking invoice. Next, you will have the option to add prices that will apply if the booking period is bigger than a certain number of days or nights. Currently, we have set 7 and 30, but these days can be changed. You will need to go to Theme Options, Booking Settings, and here you can change the number of days. I will change it to 8 and 31. After refresh, you will see the change, and here you will be able to add special prices. If the booking will be longer than 8 days, the price that will apply will be this one, and if the booking will be longer than 31 days, then this is the price that will apply. Next, we have price per weekend. The price added here will apply only for the weekend days. Also in Theme Options, Booking Settings, here you will be able to select which will be the weekend days in your site. Next, you will have the extra guests field. Here you will be able to add a price that will apply for extra guests. To know all the details on the existing options for guests, you can check our How to Manage Guests in VP Rentals theme video tutorial, and there you will see all available options. Next, you'll have the cleaning fee and the city fee. The owner will add values for these two fees. For both elements, you will have the option to set them to be a single fee or to apply per night per guest or per night per guest. The admin will have the option to set if these fees will be included in the booking calculations or not. The option can be found in Team Options, in Payments and Submit in Booking Payment Options. This is the option Include Expenses when calculating deposit. You can set it to yes or no. Next, you will have the option to set minimum nights of booking. To show how this will work, I will set 3 minimum nights of booking. I will save the change, and on the listing page the guest will not be able to select less than 3 days. I will select this day, and the guest will not be able to select the next two ones. Going back to the submission form. Next, you will have the security deposit option. The owner will be able to add here a fixed amount, and this amount will be refunded if no complaints are received for the owner. The next option is the early bird discount. Here you will be able to add a percentage value and the number of days in advance. This means that if the guest will place a booking earlier than the minimum days added here, the percentage value will apply as a discount for his booking. For the next option, the owner will be able to select the start day of the booking or the end date. You will not be able to select both, so you can select the booking to start with a certain day or to end in a certain day. I will select the start day to be Monday. I will save the change, and now if I go to the booking form, I will not be able to set as start date any other days than Monday. The next option is for extra options. Here the owner will be able to add extra options that will show in booking form. I will show an example. I will add here the name of the option, the value, and here you will be able to select if it will be a single fee per night per guest or per night per guest. I will leave it as single fee. I will click Add option and save my change. Now in the booking form, the guest will be able to select if he wants to use the extra option provided, and that amount will be added to the total amount of the booking. The price adjustment section is the last option in the page. Here you will be able to add custom prices for different periods of time. For example, if I want a certain period like 4 to 10 of April to have a different price, I will need to select 4 and 10. Now this box will open, and here I will be able to add custom prices. You will be able to add a main price. You will be able to add an extra price per guest if you use this option. You will be able to add a price per night and set a price per weekend. I will add a value here. You will be able to set the minimum days of booking and set the start or the end day of the book. I will set these values. I will save the change made. Below the calendar you will have a table with the details that you just filled in, and you will be able to delete the period. And now I will show how this will work in the booking form. So I will go to April. And for this period, you will see that the custom price that I added will apply. You will have the main price and the price per weekend. Also, in the listing details, you will have this table with the details that you filled in for the custom price section. These are all the options for price. You will have exactly the same if you select per hour. I will change the booking type to per hour. I will save the change. And now you will see that the price became per hour, and the other labels will be per hour as well. And the options will apply for hourly booking. Here you will be able to set the minimum hours of booking. Here you will be able to change the start hour and the end hour. In the listing page you will have this booking form. Here you will be able to change the day. You will see that from the previous settings only Monday can be booked. And here you will be able to select the hours, the number of guests, and you will also have the extra options. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.